In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a welcome message and your logo on Calendly. Setting up these personal touches not only helps create a professional appearance, but also provides a warm, engaging experience for anyone scheduling meetings with you. Let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll need to log into your Calendly account. If you haven't already done that, go ahead and enter your credentials on the login page. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is the control center where you can manage your schedules, links, and settings. But today, we'll be focusing on personalizing your account. Let's start with the welcome message. On your dashboard, head over to your profile section. It's typically found on the upper right corner of the page, often represented by your avatar or initials. Click on this profile icon and select the profile option from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can edit your personal details. Now, on the profile page, there should be a text box where you can enter your welcome message. This message is what your clients or colleagues will see when they open your Calendly link. It's a great opportunity to greet them warmly or provide a brief introduction about what they can expect during their meeting with you. Take a moment to think about the tone you want to convey. Friendly, professional, personal? Once you've decided, go ahead and type your message in that text box. After you've crafted your perfect welcome message, remember to save your changes. Look for a Save button, often located at the bottom of the page. It's crucial to click this before you move on, as you wouldn't want to lose the thoughtful message you've just composed. With your welcome message set, let's move on to the next step, adding your logo. Go back to your dashboard for this. In your dashboard, navigate to the branding section. This might be located in the settings area or even directly accessible from a tab on your dashboard. Click on Branding, and you should see an option to upload your logo. To upload your logo, click the Upload button. It will prompt you to choose a file from your computer. Here's a tip. Make sure your logo file is of high quality and in a supported format such as JPEG or PNG to ensure it displays crisply and clearly. Once you've selected your logo file, it will appear in a preview section. Check that everything looks just right. Once satisfied, don't forget to hit Save. This step is important to ensure your logo is uploaded correctly and appears on all your scheduling pages. And there you have it. A personalized Calendly account with a welcoming message and an eye-catching logo. Taking these steps not only helps in making your Calendly profile more personal and welcoming, but also strengthens your brand's image by showing professionalism and attention to detail in your communication. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly customized Calendly.